and curiouser. What was that noise? Who's that? A rabbit? Why does this rabbit seem so familiar? Hey, wait! Rabbit, hi! Where are you going? We need to catch that rabbit! He's so tricky! Aha! What's he doing there? I mustn't be late! Oh, I wonder what for. That's my kind of jam. It was worth all this running. Oh, it was just a dream? Ooh, the dreams I get these days.
Oh! Sam, I thought you were reading. Now I have to clean it up.
No, wait! Aha!
Oh, Sammy, you can't eat this.
But now I can say for sure, I saw such glitter in my dream!
Really?
Yes. There was this tea party and then beautiful cups.
Oh, I was going to decorate mugs with this glitter.
You were? Oh, and I also saw a rabbit. It was very...
Like this one?
Well, something like that. You made this one for me, right?
That's right. Guys, do you remember why I made this bunny for Sam? Write in the comments.
Enough about bunnies. What's up with the mugs?
Come, I'll show you. I was choosing which glitter to use for our mug decoration. This one or maybe this one.
Why choose? In my dream, there was this color switch. Gradient?
Gradient? Ooh, this is a great idea.
The only kind I have.
We'll turn this ordinary mug into a magical one.
Let me see. In my dream, there was very delicious tea.
Okay, I get the hint. Now I'll take the tape and...
Oh, I forgot. I need to, check something.
Check something? Right. Just admit that you're still afraid of tape.
What do you need it for? There was no tape in my dream.
I want glitter only on the bottom part of the mug.
Ah, I see. All right then, do continue. And the tape, went to take a nap.
Let it nap then. Even tape needs a nap. First, I need to cover the mug with glue. Oh, I forgot to bring the glue.
Don't worry, I'll go get it.
All right, thanks.
Hurry, quick! Slime Sam's on an important mission! Right. Where? Nope. Nope again. Aha! Oh no! It fell! Fine. I'll jump after it. Geronimo! off we go. This glue?
Oh, no, Sammy. I need the one in a bottle.
Oh, I'll be right back. Found it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. It was here all along. It happens. But now I can continue. I'll pour the glue into a bowl. And now I need to spread it over the surface of the mug.
Glue this glue to yourself. We use it in crafts all the time anyway.
I'll glue something to you.
Oh! Scaring me with glue. Now I want to wash myself just in case. Why do I keep coming here? I have my own bathroom. Well, fine. I can use a... Oh, feels good. Carefully now. I don't want to get all wet. Oh, like this. Oh, wait! I wanted to help Sue. Let's go! And in this. It's gonna be amazing!
Now it's glitter time! Sam! Well, this won't hurt. Guys, do you remember what items had similar labels in Alice in Wonderland? Write in the comments. I'll take the mug and start sprinkling glitter over it.
As the instructions have told you.
Yeah. I've started with the darkest shade.
Where's the T? Let's see.
To get the gradient effect, I'll mix two shades together. And sprinkle the mug with the new color.
I need to check them all and select the best. Oh, this one's weird. This one doesn't smell like anything. This one will do.
Only the lightest shade is left. Gradient, Sam. How many times do I have to correct you? Go and practice saying the word.
Gradient. Oh!
Now I'll brush off the excess.
Don't brush off all of it.
Don't worry. Now, I need to cover the glitter with a new layer of glue to secure it. Well done, Sammy. Now we need to leave the mug to dry.
Don't just sit around. Make another one.
Oh.
I can't even tell if I'm dreaming or not. Hey, it's that weird tea.
Oh, sorry. This is the one you picked.
That's better.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this idea of turning an ordinary white mug into a Wonderland one.
Try new color combinations and send us photos or videos.
Bye! Guys, while Sam and I are drinking tea, thinking of a new video for you, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks!